Aarhus is the second largest city in Denmark, located right here. Don't let the small size fool you. There's a whole host of things to do in this gem of a city. And this is me and my study group after we graduated from Aarhus University. Aarhus University is a major international research university that offers a full range of world-class degree programs within arts, technology, health, business, and social sciences. And speaking of world-class, take a look at our expansive campus park. This is a favorite spot for students to take time off and find some afternoon hygge between classes. The teaching style in Denmark is student-centered with a more informal learning environment. This style promotes creativity, self-expression, analytical and critical thinking. There's a close collaboration between students and teachers, and you can see this represented by students calling their professors by their first name. That was definitely something I had to get used to, but it's the norm here in Denmark. There are tons of social activities to join in on at Aarhus University, such as concerts, international student nights, and trivia get-togethers. And remember that world-class university park? It's also home to the annual Kapsejlads boat race, which is the largest student-led sporting event in all of Denmark. The university's main campus is nestled right in the center of Aarhus. From the campus, you can bike or walk to a number of the city's main attractions, such as the historic downtown quarter, the calm, clean beaches, or the extensive natural parks. In Aarhus, public transport is super easy to access and navigate, so you don't need a car to get to all the amazing places around town. However, when it comes to transportation, the Danes prefer to bike and walk everywhere, even in winter. And I've joined them. The city offers charming cobblestone streets, impressive modern architecture, daring art, eclectic music, inspiring museums, all with a beautiful natural backdrop. And it's also the place to be if you're a foodie. In Aarhus, you'll get that big city feeling with a welcoming and homey atmosphere. As a student, you'll find the city swarming with great study spots, from cozy cafes to outdoor workspaces, and even the state-of-the-art harbor front library. And did you know that Denmark is one of the safest countries in the world? The country's crime rate is very low, and there's a great sense of trust within the community. Haven't been brushing up on your Danish? No sweat. Danes are ranked as second best non-native English speakers in the world, which makes it very easy to get around the city with English while you slowly pick up some fun Danish slang. So come join us and experience a semester at Aarhus University for yourself.